Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, but I need for y'all to like and subscribe to my channel. But today I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator. I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some stuff to go on my refrigerator, and I'm gonna bake some stuff today. And I'm also gonna come back when my refrigerator done and all clean. I'll be back cleaning the refrigerator. I like my refrigerator spotless. I don't like to see nothing on my refrigerator. Get all this. Get all this food. Get all this. Get all this clean. And deep clean it. My refrigerator is spotless. I'm deep cleaning. I'm getting it clean, real clean, super clean, deep cleaning this. Yeah, I love a clean refrigerator. Ready to put my new stuff. Just got done deep cleaning my refrigerator. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I put all my drinks, my water, and all my other stuff back in there. I'm gonna come back to y'all with. I'm on the way to Sam's. I'm about to go into Sam's. Just got me an icy. Hey guys, we about to make some cinnamon bites. You need 1 stick of butter, 1 stick of melted butter at that. You need cinnamon sugar. You need baking spray and the cinnamon rolls you want to pick.
Hey guys, so I'm finna cut open the cinnamon rolls and cut it into 4.
That's the icing we're gonna be using, the already made icing. And you're supposed to cut it on that side. The opposite. Flip them over and cut them on that side. And don't forget to go on and spray the pan down.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm finna cut it to 4. And I'm gonna place it on the pan. And I'll come back to y'all in a minute. Okay, guys, so I just got through cutting them and rolling them, and I'm finna put it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so I just got out of the oven, and now I'm finna spread the melted butter on top of them. Okay, guys, so now I'm finna dip the the cinnamon things inside the sugar. Okay, guys, so now I'm done, and I'm finna just put the icing on.